Okay, guys, let's try another one. How about that mineral? Do you recognize it immediately?
I do, yes.
I do too.
Let's pretend you don't.
Okay.
If you don't recognize it immediately, what test do you think you're going to perform on it?
Glass test first.
Okay, go ahead. Is it harder than glass?
No.
Okay. Is it harder than your fingernail?
No.
No. All right, so it's not harder than glass, not harder than your fingernail. So now you should be kind of thinking pretty sure what it is, right? What do you think it is?
Graphite.
All right, and how are you going to test to make sure it's graphite?
It's paper.
Okay. Writes on paper really well. Graphite is the right answer, right? Let's do one more in this video. How about this one? No, how about this one? Do you know what it is right off?
No.
This one you probably should know what it is right off, right? Because it's got that really unique color to it. Even though you may not remember the name of it specifically, you know that it's, take a guess at it.
It's pyrite.
Pyrite is not right, but it's close. Do you remember the name of it, Emily?
It starts with an M.
Starts with an M is incorrect.
Ah, darn. Okay, never mind.
Chalcopyrite is the answer. So you were really close, right? And you'll have a word bank so that you don't have to memorize a lot of these really strange names. But when I'm asking you to perform these tests, you always need to back yourself up. But this one should be a really obvious one because of that really metallic, interesting shine that it has.
But if we did want to test it, we would go for streak, right?
Yep, if you did want to test it, you could go for streak and see that it's got a nice gray streak to it, even though it has a gold color to it.